Hi there. Welcome to another quick minute with Terry. I'm with jobgreatness.com and I want to talk to you about the help that you might need. So sometimes, you want to coach, and coaching is not a cheap date. I admit that, and the hourly rates can be kind of expensive. And I understand where you need help, but you really don't want to pay that much money. So a co-coach and I created jobgreatness.com, and we created a bunch of workshop videos. They're like 45 minutes to an hour in length, and you can buy them. There's a twofer out there, but it's getting unstuck, job dissatisfaction, how to better yourself on an interview, salary negotiations. There's all kinds of workshops out there. They're little teasers so you can kind of see what they're about. And you can buy one and it might suit your needs instead of paying the hourly rate. Now, I'm a coach, and if you want to hire me, that's all fine and well and good. But if you just want a little bit of extra oomph, maybe a workshop is good enough for you, and you can watch them as many times as you want. And a lot of them have like little attachments, downloads, like help lists and that kind of stuff too. So if you're interested, hop on over to jobgreatness.com and take a look. Bye-bye for now.